Hello, today we're going to be opening up the Pusheen Winter box. My box actually got a little bit damaged in transit, but the box is still cute. It's Pusheen with lights. It's really colorful. Today I'm actually opening my box with all my Pusheens in the background and Stormy as well. So let's get started. So the box is pretty colorful. It has a lot of teal, the Pusheen colors, teal and pink. This is what's included in the box. Pusheen mug, beverage warmer, pins, sticky notes, a charger, a head massager, Pusheen shirt, and Pusheen Plushie. So let's get started. First thing that I see is Pusheen mug. It's an 18-ounce ceramic mug. It's pretty cute. It has Pusheen Winter scene on it. This is actually exactly what I have on my phone as the screensaver, so that should be pretty cute. Let's open this up. It's a pretty nice mug, coffee mug. I'll probably bring it to work. Next we have the vinyl figurine. It's just like the box. It's Pusheen with Christmas lights. Super cute. Last year the Pusheen was in a scarf and a little Santa hat. So this one's a nice addition to the collection. We also have the head massager. I've always wanted one of these, so this is going to be pretty cool to test out. Has a little Pusheen at the top. Then we have the Pusheen ugly sweater, which it isn't ugly, it's pretty cute. Pusheen ugly sweater shirt. Has Stormy on there with a couple candy canes. I like it. I actually really like the shirts. I know on some of the comments people always say that they don't really like the shirts, but I really enjoy the shirts and I get a lot of compliments on them. Next we have Pusheen Plushie. Pusheen in a cute little hat and a nice little sweater. I like the plushies. I like the addition of the plushies. Last box, the fall box, we had Pusheen with the little acorn. Next, we have a pin set with Stormy, a little star, Pusheen, and a little, it looks like a little present. So it's nice. You get 4 pins in the set. We also have the sticky notes. There's 4 sticky notes. One with Pusheen, or it looks like Stormy in a stocking, Pusheen in a Santa hat, and then a present and a Christmas tree. We also have the LED charging cable that are lights. I noticed that some people were upset that the charger it looks like it's specific to iPhone, but maybe, oh, actually there's an Android charger as well, so don't be upset. You can actually use iPhone or Android and they light up, so it's pretty cool. And then lastly we have the mug warmer, so we can use that with the mug, the 18-ounce mug that was included in the box. I might also test this out as a candle warmer, because I've had mug warmers in the past and I've used them as candle warmers, and it's a nice touch instead of burning candles. So I hope you guys enjoyed the box as much as I did. Like and subscribe to our videos below, and have a great day.